Assam Rifles has seized drugs worth Rs 956 crore in Mizoram this year, marking a more than 50% increase in drug seizures compared to last year. According to Assam Rifles data, the paramilitary force had recovered drugs worth Rs 330.93 crore in 2022. During operations in various places from January to December 25 this year, the paramilitary forces recovered 33 kg of heroin, value at Rs 546.62 crore compared to a meager 1.5 kg of narcotics, value at Rs 40.87 crore in 2022. Data also revealed that the paramilitary force seized 3 kg of opium worth Rs 1.8 lakh, 20.5 kg of poppy seeds worth Rs 53 lakh and 25.95 kg of ganza cannabis worth Rs 18.48 lakh this year. Additionally, the Assam Rifles recovered more than 12 lakh tablets of methamphetamine worth over Rs 339 crore as well as 98,000 tablets of triclolidine worth Rs 9.8 crore during the period. In comparison, last year, the paramilitary force seized 8.85 lakh tablets of methamphetamine value at Rs 289.83 crore and 1.9 lakh tablets of pseudoephedrine worth Rs 11.88 lakh. Apart from drugs and narcotics, the Assam Rifles also recovered various contraband items such as areca nuts, foreign cigarettes and liquor mainly smuggled from Myanmar with a total value of Rs 96 crore during the year. Meanwhile, on Thursday, officials from the Excise and Narcotics Department seized 835 grams of heroin and arrested 2 persons in the Molzen area of Champai district near the Myanmar border, according to an official statement. The two have been identified as Langai Hauma, 26 years, from Ngahal Sawan village in Mamit district and Lalngut Lunga, 28 years, from Aniwan Veng in Aizawl. The two accused have been charged under relevant sections with narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, Act 1985, the statement added.